Hello, my name is Anders and I'm gonna show you how to install wide film on an Oracle compactor. Pay close attention to the unwinding direction so that you position the roll correctly like shown here. Carefully remove the plastic sleeve without damaging the wide film. In the tying unit you may find the steel pipe for the wide film. Remove the hairpin and insert the steel pipe as shown. The plastic cones on each side must be inserted to the center pipe of the wide film roller. Finally, reattach the hairpin. In this step you may need help from a friend. Place the roller carefully in a small groove on each side. Pull out approximately 1.5 meters of wide film. Then guide the film underneath the brake roller. Pull the wide film end up as shown. Now place the wide film roller into the big grooves on both sides. Release the net roll tighteners from the bolt like this to lock the wide film roll in place. Now we need to open the knife and feed rollers to insert the film. Hold the red button, then the blue for approximately 2 seconds until you can see the knife and feed rollers open up. Thread the film through the space between the rod and rear wall of the tying unit. Make sure the film end has passed the knife and feed rollers. First hold the red button, then the yellow one for approximately 2 seconds to close the knife and feed rollers.